Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Mazda CX-5. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, typically 0W20 synthetic, and a new oil filter. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wearing gloves. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old engine oil drain out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional quarter turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Refer to your Mazda CX-5 owner's manual for the exact oil capacity, which is typically around 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil. Use a funnel to slowly pour the new oil into the engine. Once filled, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level on the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.